Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got this here to show you guys. I got this yesterday. I ordered this about probably 4 months ago. So what this is for the inner door handles of a Corolla hatchback. It may fit a regular Corolla. I'm not sure how the interior parts are. But anyways, so this will go behind the inner door handle, and this will surround the border of the actual inner door handle. I'll do an install video later on one of the doors. It's just a basic sticker type or two-sided tape type thing, so it should be a very quick, easy to install. I'll probably have to go over or do a quick look at it. I haven't even looked at how it would fit, and yeah, so anyways, I'll make a video about how to install this thing. The material on this thing, it's actually metal. I thought it was going to be plastic, so I'm actually pretty happy with that. The only thing is this inner part is pretty heavy, so hopefully it doesn't fall off. This is also a type of thin metal, and so what you get is the borders, the inner panel or the inner door handle part, and you get two adhesive promoters. So it's a pretty decent kit. But the only thing is these promoters, these adhesive promoters, I don't even know if they're good. I may have to buy my own because this thing has been sitting in the mail for about 3 to 4 months. And I finally got it. It took so long that actually the seller had refunded me the money. A lot of the shipments now are not able to reach here is because of the flights coming into America have been lowered and customs have been more difficult. But anyways, if you guys are interested in the install video, please subscribe. I'll make a video about this probably tomorrow if it doesn't rain. If not, it might be next week. But anyways, please subscribe, and thanks you guys.